ለጓደኞቻችሁ ሼር አርጉ በደንብ እናንተ ደግሞ ትኩረት አርጉ ዳውንሎድ እንድታረጉ አርጌላችኋለሁ so today ምንድነው ስለ past tense ነው እዚህ ጋር የምናወራ she was ነበረች okay ነበረች ተማሪ ነበረች for example she was a student right so like that አረፍተ ነገር መስራት ብቻ ነው she went ሄደች she went ሄደች okay she had ነበራት she had ነበራት okay she had a car መኪና ነበራት እንደማለት ነው she slept ተኛች okay she slept ተኛች she caught ያዘች she caught she did አደረገች okay she wrote ጻፈች she wrote later ደብዳቤ ጻፈች she bought ገዛች okay ገዛች she bought a house ቤት ገዛች she said አለች she said that እንደዛ አለች እንደምንለው ማለት ነው she said she knew ታውቃለች she knew okay she knew K silent እናረጋታለን እሱ አዲስ ነች ማለት አይደለም she knew ካልን እንደዚህ ታውቃለች ማለት ነው okay she won አሸንፋለች she divorced okay she divorced ተፈታለች she divorced she sold out ሸጠችው okay የተሸጠው ነገር she sold out አልቋልም ይሆናል she sold out ሸጠችው ማለት ነው that's it thanks for watching